Vizag, then we made the announcement.
Yeah.
So that was already done.
Yeah.
And so from our side, it's not just the investment,
Yeah.
it is actually making it happen.
No.
So and some of these things here, just talk about a company. We have more than 20 gigawatts of signed PPAs all across India right now. We have almost 200 sites across the entire country. And we are almost powering 2% of India's entire electricity consumption. Entire electricity.
I am very happy.
Yeah. And 0.5%
to
of
hear
carbon
that
emissions
type
we are
of
reducing.
comparison.
Yes, sir. And this is, of course, we also do a lot of CSR work, sir. So that is what we'll be doing here as well.
Moreover, CSR, I want to talk to you.
Yes, sir.
E4 model,
Yes, sir.
not one community work.
Yes, sir.
I'm having public-private people's partnership.
Okay.
Adopting families
Okay.
on the
We are
base
happy
of
to do that, sir.
capacity.
Yeah.
Now
Okay.
Adani is doing now 25,000 families
Okay.
for short term, medium term, long term.
Okay.
Both areas,
Yeah, yeah,
Anantapur and
yeah,
this
yeah,
area,
yeah.
if you can adopt,
Yeah.
I will be very happy.
Okay.
We'll be happy to do that, sir. We are
Yeah.
also skilling about 10,000 women to become solar technicians, etc.
So
we'll be happy
I spoke to him. I wanted to start
Yeah.
one
University.
university,
Yeah, yeah.
academy, university.
University.
Yes, sir.
That will be first of its kind, deemed
Climate.
university,
Uh-huh.
best university,
Right.
clean energy, that
Right.
is green energy or name, good
Right.
name,
Yeah.
will start.
Yeah.
That's
Land
great.
is
We
available,
look
sir.
forward to it.
Land is already available, 100 acres
Which one?
for Skill University.
Skill university, 100 acres all.
He,
Energy.
he wants to set it up like ISB. which I
Energy.
think, yeah.
Just like ISP.
So and just also here, there are various agencies around the world that have ranked us among the best companies in sustainability, not just in India, sir, but in the entire world. We're the top few companies in the world on sustainability issues. MSCI, which is Morgan Stanley, rates us AAA, which is no other company in India is rated AAA. And this is because of all the work we do on water conservation, energy conservation, all the work.
Community engagement as well.
All our concepts I am working here, 10
I know, sir.
principles.
So that is why there's a really
That
good
is
meeting
where,
of objectives
very
in
So we
mind.
want to call this area Silicon Coast.
Yeah, that is what I am telling to them. Andhra Pradesh is the quantum valley.
Right.
This area will be different. You are going to see another 15-20 years. Just like Rangareddy district of Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Richest place in India is Rangareddy, not Bombay, not Delhi. Because of all IT companies,
Yeah.
knowledge economy, everything.
Transformed.
Yeah.
So when we
Totally
were
transformed.
coming, we were speaking to common people. They're saying exactly the same thing.
Yeah, only 2.5 decades,
Yeah.
not
Yeah.
100 years.
మళ్ళీ ఈరోజు మీ స్పీచ్లో చెప్పండి సార్ రంగారెడ్డి మాత్రం అయిపోతుంది కొంచెం అవేర్నెస్ వస్తుంది
ఏది?
మీ స్పీచ్లో ఈరోజు రంగారెడ్డి మాత్రం అయిపోతుంది చెప్తే
డెఫినెట్గా అవుతుంది మీకు ఎప్పుడో మైండ్ కాదు నా మైండ్లో ఎప్పుడో పడిపోయింది అది
వాళ్ళకి
So we'll show you quickly, sir. We'll show you quickly the model. We'll show you the model of this of the plant that we are putting up here. Sanjay is the CEO of our entire solar manufacturing business. So
this is the first phase of the project.
Yeah.
The building itself will cover about 40 acres. The entire project about 70 acres is what we'll cover in this phase. There's about 6.5 gigawatt of manufacturing capacity. I'll just explain the value chain.
Please. No. ఒక్క నిమిషం పర్లేదు.
Energy doesn't just power
The entire
machines,
solar value
it
chain.
powers progress.
Watt, high periodic watt.
As
and
India
silicon.
grows, the
It is
need
about
for
98%
clean,
pure.
reliable energy
This
has
polysilicon
never been
is a very
greater.
complex process.
That's why
It is the
we are
purest
building the
man-made
very
material.
foundation, our 6.5 kilowatt
99.99%
ingot
pure.
and
That
wafer
quartz
manufacturing
powder
facility.
In Andhra also it is available.
Why can't you take
which is why we want to set up the polysilicon
that
plant here as well.
I'm going now rare earth minerals also.
Yes, sir.
One project
Yeah.
with World Bank.
Okay.
We are working in a big way.
Yes,
that
sir.
makes total sense.
So we are now making modules and cells. Now we are backward. This project is for backward integrating into ingot and wafer. After this, we will get into polysilicon. That's the next stage.
We're already doing all of this other stuff. We're already doing, sir.
You have to go end to end.
Yes, sir.
Backward
That is
forward.
exactly- that
I'm
is
very
exactly-
happy
Yes,
you are
sir.
in that direction.
Yes, sir.
So this is the project itself. We start with polysilicon. Then it is melted at very high temperature. And we pull what is called a single crystal
Backed
ingot.
by fully
Each
functional
ingot weighs
solar
about
cell
800
and
kg.
module
It's about 11
plants.
meters tall.
We control
And
quality,
then it is
scale
cut into
and
bricks,
reliability.
Sliced into thin
End to
wafers.
end.
Each wafer is only thickness of a hair.
This is more than
About
manufacturing.
130 microns.
This is about
Then that
driving
gets made
India's
into- shipped
green
out and made into
energy
solar cells
revolution.
after that. With slight
From
modifications, this can
silicon
also be
to
used to make
sunlight,
semiconductor
we are
chips.
building the future
Same
of
vapor,
energy.
silicon vapor goes into that one.
You are in right direction. That is clear to my mind. What
Sir, this is now the groundbreaking that we will
Yeah.
do with you, sir. Please. Sir, you are here, sir. I think we should wear these hats from a safety
Better.
standpoint.
Photo.
Yeah.
Please come here.
Okay.
Come here, please.
Let's come.
Uh-huh. Okay, I think we should now pick this up.
Please better. Glasses.
Okay. Should we dig? Everybody is ready? Okay, we should dig.
Yeah. You can lift it and
Yeah.
then give photo.
Okay? Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Sir, now we come here, sir. We'll do a formal unveiling of the flag. Which will
హైదరాబాద్ సృష్టిస్తున్నారు సార్
sir,
Imma?
మరొక హైదరాబాద్ సృష్టిస్తున్నారు ఆంధ్రలో
so you have to stand here.
Rangareddy Jilla Medi.
Sir, this one. So just wait for everybody else to come around.
Andar
Yeah.
settle.
Vaishali, come.
Please come, madam.
Please come. Sanjay, where are you? Where is Sanjay gone?
Sanjay, come.
Sanjay, come. Everybody is ready?
Okay.
Okay, sir. I think
You can.
Sir, actually you can go a little closer, then
Yeah,
we can
please
all
come.
come a little
Please
closer
come.
without upsetting the...
Randy. Leru.
Thank you.
Please come, sir. Please come, madam. Yeah. Yes. ఇక్కడ వినేదా? Please come.
Sir, the whole team has been working here for the last 1 week to make this function a reality and to make it successful, and the
having
local
good
administration
team.
has done a terrific job.
Yeah.
So full marks to them. So I think it's a mark of their respect for you, sir, that everybody made sure that this has to be a perfect function.
They are all proactive now.
Yes, absolutely,
Like
sir.
collector, I asked her.
Yeah.
This
Well, no, she was here
will be
till...
another Rangareddy district.
Yeah.
Another 25 years. you are going to see.
No, absolutely, absolutely.
Build brick by brick. You have to make it real.
Hey, I've seen you before. Yeah, yeah.